वेलकम बैक टू न्यू वीडियो। और आज की वीडियो में आप सबका स्वागत है। एंड आज के वीडियो में मैं बात करने वाला हूँ एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक के बारे में। मुझे बहुत सारा क्वेरीज आ रहा था बहुत सारे लोगों का कि आप यूरोप में रहते हो, आप हमें बताओ कि यूरोप में पढ़ने के फ़ायदे क्या क्या है। और मैं पर्सनली सोचा भी कि लेट मी टेल यू गाइज दैट व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट बेनिफिट्स एंड पर्क्स ऑफ स्टडिंग इन यूरोप। इफ़ यू आर कमिंग टू एनी यूरोपियन कंट्री फॉर योर हायर स्टडीज, देन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बेनिफिट्स यू आर गोइंग टू गेट। There are a lot of benefits, but I have chosen some important benefits which are around 4 and 5. So I will explain in this particular video. So before starting the video, let me introduce myself for the new viewers. Myself Nitil Kumar Srivastava, and I am a student at the University of Messina, and I do make videos on study visa, work visa and travel visa. अब मैं आता हूँ वीडियो के टॉपिक पे डायरेक्टली। ओके, लुक, if you are planning to study abroad and you are looking for a very good destination, then for you Europe will be a very good place. Literally I am telling you guys. Look, the first and the foremost benefit of studying in Europe that you will study in top notch universities. Okay, the universities which are in Europe, they have a very good ranking. Okay, all those universities has very good ranking. Their way of how to say infrastructure, I mean the infrastructure that you will see in those universities is so amazing. So basically you are going to get a very high class education. Okay, if you are planning to study from European universities. Okay, look, almost all of the European universities has good credibility, almost. Okay, there are very rare universities in some countries of Europe, basically in some small countries of Europe, which doesn't have a good credibility. But all those universities, I mean telling that almost all universities have good credibility. So you are going to get a very pragmatic education if you are planning to study from abroad. And if I come to another point, then studying in Europe going to give you a multicultural experience. You are going to meet a lot of people from different nationality, and that is going to be a very good point for your particular CV. I'm not talking about our academic and professional CV. I mean talking about your personal CV. It will help you in shaping your personality. You will find yourself, once after arrival in Europe, that you are getting your overall development. Okay, your personal development. You यहाँ पे आने से सबसे बड़ी फ़ायदा मैं ये देखा हूँ honestly. Like आपको आपकी interaction होगी. You will interact with a lot of multicultural people. You will learn a lot of things. You will learn a lot of new skills, ideas, and you will see that you will evolve yourself. So basically आपको यूरोप आने से बहुत सारे फ़ायदे हैं. Right now in USA, in UK, and especially in UK and Canada, you will find almost 70 to 80% of classmates, they are Southeast Asians, Indians, Pakistanis, Bangladeshis, Nepalis. So basically in those countries, as far as I think, and I have been talked to a lot of guys who are studying there, multicultural experience are not much as the Schengen zone. Okay, so if you are coming to Schengen zone and European countries, okay, I know UK is also a European country, so don't come in the comment section and start telling me that it's also a European country. Some of you guys did earlier, so let's come on the point. If you are coming to study in Schengen zone, it is going to be very beneficial for you. So that's my point. Come to Schengen zone, okay? And I mean in Schengen zone you will also find the tuition fees are very less. Some of the countries has free education, like Italy. First place is Italy. Second in Germany. In Germany there is a scene of block account, but Italy is best. And if I come to another point, then you will also see that you will get a lot of opportunities of internships and different kind of, how to say, CV upgraded things. Okay, I mean the things that is going to upgrade your CV. You are going to get a lot of opportunities like this. You are going to have a lot of traineeship programs. One of the best thing about studying in Schengen zone and studying in Europe is Erasmus program. If you are coming to Europe for your higher studies and even in Schengen zone, you are going to get benefit from Erasmus mobility program. This Erasmus mobility program is basically an exchange program in which you will go to some other Schengen country or other European country for the 6th, 5 or sometimes 10th month of 10 month of study period. So suppose you are coming to Europe for your master degree, okay, and if you are going on Erasmus mobility program in the second year, so you will spend your almost, at least I am telling you, 3 months or maximum 10 months as Erasmus mobility program. You will grab your study from there, so it will be very beneficial for you, even though if you will look for job or any kind of job like opportunity in future, because it will upgrade your CV. So these are the benefits of studying in Schengen zone, okay. And especially if I talk about one thing that I have seen in myself when I was in India, at that time I was talking with everyone in basically Hindi, okay. My English level that right now I have was not at that time. Like I was so dumb student when it comes to speak English at that time. So basically I'm telling you, if you are coming here studying Europe, studying Schengen zone, so you are also going to see yourself as a good English speaker, not an English speaker. If you are coming to some countries like Italy, Spain, France, Germany, so you are going to also learn their language, which is very good for you and which is very good for your future job portfolio. So this is what I want to say you guys. Like if you want to study in Europe, then you are going to do one of the best decision of your life, okay. There are negative side of studying in Europe, I will tell you in next video, but in this video I am also telling you, and I'm trying to tell you all those positive sides which can fed up all those negative side, okay. So this is about all this video, and I have chosen only those points which I thought it's very important to tell you guys. Everyone talk about PR, everyone talk about getting passport, settle down in Europe, and no one talks about this particular thing. So I thought let's talk about this particular thing and let know you guys that Europe is not only good for PR perspective, but it is also good for educational perspective, okay. So I hope you guys will like this video, okay. And if you like this video, then please do subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you guys in next video.